Our commitment and our promise to our customers is to deliver what they want when they need it at a quality level that's unsurpassed. That hasn't changed from day one. Well, McAlpin Industries is a vertically integrated company that provides a great variety of services, not only volume-wise, but from a size and capability standpoint.
McAlpin Industries is a third-generation company. It's certainly a plus. It speaks to the longevity of the company. One thing that separates us apart is we're not afraid to invest in new technology. It's something that my grandfather instilled into his sons, something that my father instills into me.
Investment in technology and equipment provides our customers with flexibility, reliability, speed to market, and great quality product.
We currently have 11 robotic welding centers, anywhere from a single MIG head to a three-headed MIG robot. The more that we can put on a robot, the better quality part we'll achieve. One of McAlpin Industries' newest capabilities is high-volume powder coat painting. We have our brand new facility in Walworth, New York. The line includes full automation in the cleaning and pre-treatment process. It also includes 2 automated paint booths so we can change from one color to the next seamlessly.
It's just another form of a finish that we can do besides plating. We have implemented things like tablets on the floor for the operators, so everything that they need is right there at their workstation.
Often our customers will come to us with a challenge, and this is where McAlpin Industries shines. Our project management, our collaborative approach internally really offers great solutions to our customers.
We provide you with a quality manager, engineering support, account management, so we're an extension of what you do.
We can offer our assistance in something we call DFM, Design for Manufacturability. It's an opportunity for our company to utilize our engineering strength in helping the customer streamline their production. At times it could be lower cost, it could be frequency of production, meaning we could reduce lead time, and we could enhance their product's life, possibly eliminate further redesigns down the road.
It's executing, doing what you say you're going to do, committing to delivery dates, and making sure that the customer is confident.
They know that when they come to us, they're going to get what they want when they need it at a very high quality level.
Our guarantee to our customers is a high quality product on time, 100% of the time.